Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today I'm going to be attempting to grow some giant potatoes for the autumn show. Now I have already started, and so this one's missing a piece, but this was my biggest one from last year and that was 1.3 kilos. I popped the video of me harvesting that up on the end screen if I remember. So like I said, I had already started this and I thought I might as well do a video out of it. A lot of people might be interested in growing giant potatoes. So these have been out on the shelf in the shed, and as you can see, chicks starting to grow on these. They're a bit whiter on this one, dark. But we're going to go ahead and cut these up and have a go at growing some giant potatoes. I'm going to try two different ways. I'm going to try one where we gouge out all the eyes, leave the sweet potato whole. Another one where we just potato into as many pieces as we can and get as much out of the sweet potato as possible. Which is pretty much sweet potato challenge. On the attempted to go single giant potato. So we'll be treating these a little bit different from July. Down the road as we go, and I'll do updates and explain what I'm doing and what I'm doing it. So if something you're interested in, keep an eye out for updates and we'll get to it and get these cut up and planted. So first thing we're going to do is cut up the potato. Now what I want to do is try and leave a decent amount of the seed potato attached to each chip because seed potato holds a lot of nutrients that will get the plant off to a good start. So straight away I can see that there's only one on this whole bottom half, and one coming there. Cut that out and cut this potato down there. I think that's plenty big enough. That's why I'm going for slightly larger pots, use a slightly larger piece. Doesn't seem to be anything like that, but leave that on the windowsill and see if any more sprout out here. Side. This one, there's four separate ones in here. So what I'll do with this, I'll just split it in half and remove one of those. That's one on it itself. Now this one, it's got quite a lot on it. And so what I might do with this is just leave it as it is, plant it whole, and just see what happens, what the difference is between gouging out so there's only a single chip on each one, see, to leaving it whole with everything on it. And this one, so what I'll do with this is it's only got two on it, so I'll just gouge one of those out and leave the potato whole. So everywhere I see that there might be a chip coming, just going to remove it. I'll just plant that hole with a single chip on it. This one, hole with all the chips, and these three with just a single chip been cut up. So we'll get these planted, and these are the three that we're going to keep an eye on throughout the growing season. I have already cut up below and got those planted up. So we'll have a look at those at the end of the video as well. For now, we'll get these all potted on and labelled up, and these are the ones that we'll keep an eye on through the growing season. So we'll start off with the individuals. Just going to plant them about halfway in the pot. I'll fill them up. That's it. That one. Get these three lined up. Okay. So one chip and been cut. This one will be one chip. One chip scrape. One chip whole potato. One chip. This one whole as is. All the rest that I have with one chip and one piece, as we have with those three. So really, these two are going to be the only two that are different. But we'll keep a close eye on them throughout the season, and I'll try and get many updates as we can on them. That's the whole potato untouched. This one is the whole potato with all the chips scraped out. Right, so that's those done. I'll keep those on the bench in here. Um, and once we see that they're growing, I will bring you back. But we do have six. The 15 there, plus these. That should give us a chance of getting a giant potato for Melvin, hopefully. If you are interested in seeing what I do further on down the line, please do remember to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to make sure you get notified whenever I release new content. I would like to apologise for the names. I will try and do something in the editing to try and get rid of that, but I do hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in future update. Bye for now.